In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Element 3D from Video Copilot with an official license for 2026. To begin, open your web browser and head to the official Video Copilot website at videocopilot.net. It's important to use the official site so you know you're getting the legitimate product, the correct installer, and a valid license directly from the source. Once you're on the website, look at the top menu and click on the Store tab. From the product list, select Element 3D. This will take you to the product page where you can find the details for the plugin and confirm that you're looking at the correct version before moving forward. Next, take a moment to review the system requirements. This is a very important step because Element 3D relies on your computer's hardware, especially your graphics card, to run properly. Make sure your system is compatible so you can avoid installation issues or performance problems later. If everything looks good, click the Buy Now button to add the official license to your online shopping cart. Before checking out, it's always a good idea to quickly review the cart and confirm that the correct product has been added. After that, sign in to your existing Video Copilot account. If you don't already have one, create a new account using your email address and a password. Your account is where your purchase information, serial number, and download access will be stored. So make sure you enter your details carefully and keep them secure. Now enter your payment details securely and complete the checkout process to purchase your official license. Take your time here and double check your billing information before submitting the order. Once your purchase is complete, go to your account dashboard on the website. There, you should be able to locate your new serial number along with the download links for the software. This area is important, so it may help to save the information somewhere safe for future reference. Next, click the download button for the main installer and wait for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. When the download is complete, run the installer file and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process inside your host video editing software. Read each prompt carefully so you choose the correct installation options. Finally, launch your video editing software, add Element 3D to a new solid layer, and enter your serial number to activate your official license. Once activation is complete, you'll be ready to start using the plugin. Thank you for watching and enjoy creating amazing three-dimensional graphics with your newly installed Element 3D software.